Welcome to video 46 of the Adobe Premiere Pro course. In this video, you are going to see how to backup and archive your Premiere Pro projects perfectly without any errors. So follow along with me and don't skip at any part of this video. After completing your edit, click on File, then choose Project Manager. This window will open like this. First, select all the sequences that you created. Since I did only one sequence for this project, for me it's just showing it like this. If your project has multiple nested clips, it will show a big list here. After that, in resulting project, select collect files and copy to new location. This option is very useful to collect all the files no matter where they are located. I mean, if some of your project files are on the hard disk or maybe in different locations, this option helps to copy everything and paste it into a new folder with proper organization. Next, select the destination path and come to the other options. On the right side, make sure you enable these boxes that I'm showing here. If in case you want to know how much the overall size of this project is, simply click on calculate and it will show the estimation here. Once everything is done, click on OK. That's it. Now you can wait for some time while this complete project files gets exported. If in case any error is showing, first render that specific part and do it once again by following all the steps that I showed just now. Once the export is completed, it will create a folder like this, and inside it you can see the complete list of files. That's the video, and we are officially completed the Premiere Pro course on this channel. And don't worry, I'll still upload videos related to video editing and other options that we get inside Premiere Pro. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside to it to get notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this entire course videos, and also appreciate yourself as well for spending this quality time and learning something new as well as adding some skill set to your life. As usual, my name is Rajshekar, you're watching Raj's Creator Catalyst, and I'll see you again in the next video.